Welcome to the Science Museum. Hi, I'm Alexandra, and today we're going to be looking at the heat coming off of our bodies.
Sam and Alexandra demonstrate a variety of fun experiments in Wonderlab at the Science Museum. Title: Heat Camera.
Now our bodies have lots of things happening within them. Keeping blood pumping to our vital organs generates a lot of heat. The human body works best at 37 degrees Celsius. Now when we get a bit too hot, we need a way of cooling ourselves down, and we do this through sweating. The sweat on the surface of your skin evaporates, and that cools you down. Now another thing that happens is our blood vessels widen. This means that the blood can reach the surface of the skin and start to let out some of that heat. Now when we get cold, we start to shiver and our muscles contract. And our blood vessels, they don't widen, instead they narrow, because we want to make sure that all of our blood heat remains in our body to keep us nice and toasty warm. My friend Sam is in front of our heat camera, which sees infrared wavelengths and turns them into a visual image. If Sam holds up this bin bag, it shows visible light can't get through it, but thermal energy can. This foil blanket, however, does not let thermal energy or visible light through, so we know that it's a good insulator and will help our body not lose too much heat too quickly. So using our thermal imaging camera here at the Science Museum, it allows us to see the incredible ways our body keeps us working. See you next time.
Science Museum Group.